Hi, hey y'all, Anson here from Ivey's Forge Homestead. In the house today, bad weather. Even though I could be in the woodworking shop, it is an enclosed space. Obviously, the smithy, temporary, outside, underneath a tent. Since it's raining, I don't want to be out in either one. I don't want to get into the woodworking shop because it is a disaster. Right now, we need to clean that space. It's not very organized. It is a work in progress. But I wanted to come to you this week, another shout out, right? So last week I did my homesteading community. Like I said, I do follow a few different communities: homesteading, blacksmithing, woodworking, cooking, which kind of falls a little bit under the homesteading. There's a lot of the homesteading channels that also cook, but then there's people that only do cooking videos, right? And there's some of those that I watch. But also, starting this week, I do think I want to change it up just a little bit. So I want to focus really, like I'm still going to be doing just 5 channels. And by all means, anybody is welcome to go in down to the comments, throw out your channel, right? If you want to self support, or you want to throw, what your channel is about, what you're doing, go ahead and send a comment, right? And then everybody that's going in to those comments, read other people's comments. If you see someone you like, click on their little icon, go to their channel, subscribe to them. Okay? Just make sure you come back to the video and finish watching it, please. All right? So that's how we help out community regardless. Okay? And like I said last week, one of the things that I do, whether I'm at work, out in the shop, or whatnot, if I don't have time to watch YouTube videos, then I'll put all that stuff into the watch later playlist, and I'll sit there and I'll hit play, and I'll just let it play either my phone. I have a tablet, I have a laptop that I'm on right now, right? I'll just let those things play. That way people are still getting their watch minutes. Now, if it's a video that is really interesting or really something that I'm trying to learn currently, then I will add that to a different playlist that's just private, only to me. It's just labeled Watch Me. That's it. Right? I'll go in. So if it's something that I'm currently working on, those are the videos I like to watch the most right now. There's a few channels out there, that I am a diehard fan, and I watch every single video that comes out from those people. It's probably, I can count on one hand how many channels that I do that for. Okay. It just is what it is, right? You're going to have those diehard channels that you just want to watch every single video that comes out. Hopefully I have a few, right? To where every single video that comes out, you're in there and you're watching them. And I see, right? I see the people that comment and stuff. And I know that I have a lot of really great fans and a great support system. You guys do come out and support me. And I try to get into your stuff and support you the most I can. Like I said, I do give you some watch minutes because every single subscriber that pops up for the week of channels that I support, whether it's blacksmithing, whatnot, I always add those to my watch later playlist. And I will sit there every single day. I play that watch later playlist. And then once those videos have been played, it has a nice little red line that goes across there. I remove it from the playlist, and then I'll start the next day, and it'll just go through. So right now, I mean, I'll probably get through 50, 60 videos in a day just from the watch later playlist, helping people out. Okay. So this week, like I said, I do want to change it up a little bit. I'm still going to be doing just the 5-channel shout out. This week I'm doing blacksmiths. Last week I did homesteading. Okay. But I want to focus on majority of the smaller channels. So these are the people that are under 1,000 subscribers. I will end up throwing at least one channel in there. It may be under 1,000. It may be over 1,000. Someone that I feel is really helping with that community. And then I also want to throw in one of the big channels or someone that I like to go watch when every single video comes out based off of this topic. All right. So it's a blacksmith shout out. It's my blacksmithing community. Okay. These are ones I'm going for this week. No individual order other than the very last one that I put out will be that very large channel that once you guys go check out every time they come out with a blacksmithing video, right? Because it's just awesome. I think she does a great job. Okay, so let's go with number one. Number one is Inconvenient Skills. Inconvenient Skills. All right, this is a fellow veteran of the United States military. He is a beginner blacksmith. He's also very beginner to YouTube. Right now, as of today, whenever I looked, he had 38 subscribers. 38. Okay, very new. He has just a few videos put out. I believe 7, if I remember correctly, videos. Go in, check him out. He's gonna have more stuff coming. Okay, he's not posting stuff on the daily. Okay, go watch his intro video. You'll understand why. But go support him. Okay, the more support he gets, he's gonna start putting out some videos. And dude, welcome to the family. All right, he's put out that what blacksmithing community means to him. All right, and I know what it's all about. Okay, the blacksmith community is awesome, and I love y'all. Okay. Number 2, Uncle Buck's Forge. All right, Uncle Buck's Forge. He's over that 1,000 subscriber threshold, but Steve helps the community, the blacksmithing community, so much. All right, he puts out some videos, but the biggest thing with Uncle Buck's Forge is his Etsy page. Y'all, you guys have got to go check out his page and his YouTube channel because he makes tools and he makes things for blacksmiths on the cheap, y'all. On the cheap. So I'm telling you, different types of jigs, different types of holders. He's doing guillotines. He's doing all these different things, right? I'm saying he's not like a hammer maker or an axe maker or stuff like that. He's doing some of these other types of tools, the things that you need for making hammers or for making other stuff, right? Go check out his stuff. Like I said, he's not making a huge profit off this stuff. He's selling it almost at what it cost him to make it. Okay? Go check him out. I guarantee you're not going to find any place cheaper if you need some blacksmithing supplies. All right? Guaranteed. Uncle Buck's Forge. All right, next one. Speargrass Forge. Speargrass Forge. All right? This is another great blacksmith. He is a beginner blacksmith. Okay, right now he's under 1,000 subscribers. He's at 302 the last time I looked. But as of right now, he is doing a lot of beginner blacksmith video series. Okay, so all the people that are just getting started in this craft, and I can't really say he's not a beginner. He's been doing this long enough to where he's actually putting out these videos to teach, right? The beginner stuff. And it's simple, right? The simple things, the things that you really need to be doing. Whenever you very first start blacksmithing, you shouldn't be out making a hammer, or you shouldn't be out making tongs, or you shouldn't be trying to make your own anvil, right? Those are not beginner projects. Do people do it? Yes. Or if you want to be a bladesmith, okay? There's other types of things that you need to do when you first start to get hammer control, to get some of the different techniques that you need to do, right? Go check him out because he's doing some of these projects. That way you can go watch, look at some of the simple stuff, right? Scrolls, or just drawing out, or tapering, or just any of these things. Just the finite basic things to give you that hammer control, to give you those things that you need to do whenever you're first starting out blacksmithing. All right, he's doing a great video series, and go check him out. Okay, Peter Collins. This is my other shout out. He's right around where I'm at. He's at 615. I'm not quite to 600, but we're close, right? I'm catching up to you. I'm catching up to you. So right now, he's out in the bush, right? He's a traveling blacksmith. What? Yes. You can do blacksmithing wherever you want as long as you have the resources or you have the stuff to be able to do it. So he's out in the bush. He's out traveling. He's out basically camping and blacksmithing, right? Doing small little projects. Some of those things, you don't have to have the nice fancy shop. You don't have to have the nice fancy power tools or any of that stuff. If you have a will, you have a way, you can get it done. Go check out some of the things he's doing because it's awesome, some of the work that he puts out. And Peter Collins is a great supporter of the Ivey's Forge and Homestead. I see him every single video I put out. He's right there. He's right there, commenting, giving the thumbs up, doing all those things. Okay, and my big channel that if you're not following this person, you really need to because she does everything. And I mean everything. And it's even in the title of her channel. Okay? Not only does she do blacksmithing, she does woodworking, she does all kinds of stuff. Homesteading, farming, goats, you name it, she does it. Okay? And it's, well, everything's not really in the name, but it's implied. All right? And of all trades. All trades. So you can really think of if she wants to learn how to do something, if she wants to learn how to rebuild a truck, she's doing that. She goes and finds someone that specializes in that task, and then she learns as much as she can, and then she does it. Blacksmithing. She does blacksmithing. She wanted to learn how to blacksmith. She went to a blacksmith, learned how to blacksmith, and now she does blacksmithing videos. She wanted to learn how to make a chair. Right? A nice Windsor chair. She went to the person that knows how to do that. She learned how to do it, and now she makes chairs. All these things, right? So there's all this stuff that she wants to learn how to do. She'll go to other people's channels, or she'll go to other people's thing. They might not even be on YouTube, okay? But she will go meet a master of a single trade, learn how to do it, and then she'll bring it to y'all. Right, on her channel. So she is trying to be a master of all. Okay, so Anne of all trades. Go check her out. All right, so that's my 5 for this week of blacksmithing shoutouts or blacksmith shoutouts. All right, some big things coming for Ivey's Forge and Homestead. We still got the big projects coming. Still have a raised bed garden. I know it's almost spring, y'all. Almost spring. I still don't have the garden made. Hey, it is what it is. We're not trying to put anything directly into the ground. I do want to have a raised garden bed. As of right now, we're probably going to end up having to plant stuff in pots just to get by. I'm hoping I can get that done as soon as possible. There's other stuff in our life right now that's a little more important, so a lot of our funding is going to that. Okay. Same thing with being able to get out and build some of the other stuff I want to do, but that's all right. So we're taking care of it. It is something that's very, very important. It's something that we actually need to do to be able to get out of Virginia and move to where we want to move, right? So this is a big, big stepping stone of getting that done. And we're not going to throw out all the details, but just know it's important, okay? So I do have some other smaller projects that I need to get done, right? I need to finish the Tomahawk, get that sent out to our 500 subscriber winner. I got my mom's Tomahawk I got to finish, get that sent out to her. I still got some of my sawhorses I got to finish. Like I said, there's a lot of things that we got coming. There's a lot of videos that are going to be coming out. Okay. Weather depending. Some of these things requires good weather. Okay. It can't be raining. It can't be all this windy and cold and stuff like that. So, thank y'all. We've been growing like crazy. So like I say, we're almost 600, almost 100 subscribers in like 2 weeks. It's crazy. Okay. So I have been commissioned to make another Tomahawk. So there's going to be a collab video on that coming. I have another collaboration with another homesteading channel. That's coming up in the works. I have a collaboration video coming up with my cousin. She is awesome, and she also has a YouTube channel. And whenever that comes out, that time will come. You go check her out. So we got some big stuff coming for y'all. Okay, getting Gladys to do some cooking stuff for you, and that's gonna be coming out. So just continue to support us. We greatly, greatly appreciate it. We love all of y'all. And if you want to help us out even further, you know where to go look, right? We got the links down in the description. Go to our Etsy, PayPal. If you want to help send a donation, whatnot. I have affiliate links. I have all the other stuff. Instagram. I'm posting on Instagram all the time. Okay? All the time. Back stuff, things that I don't do a video on, right? I'm on Instagram. Twitter, don't check it that much, but I send out videos and stuff to Twitter. Okay? It's just one of those check in the box things for TubeBuddy and all that. Okay? All right, so I definitely thank y'all, and I guess we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye now.